over here. B. 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 Hey, look, it's a square. No, see, that's a circle. Well, do you need help with your homework again? Yeah, after I've been staying in the cell for a day, I think I freeze my brain permanently. Okay, let me see. Alright, let's see this. Yeah, that's clearly it. What has 4 sides? A circle? No, a circle has no sides. What has 4 sides? A triangle. Oh my god, it's the stupid square! So stupid! Square! It's a square! The triangle is not even an option. It's stupid! It's a square! Stupid! It's a square, bro! It's a stupid! It's not a triangle, it's not a circle, it's a square! Stupid! Have you found it yet? I'm getting tired of this. No, I don't see it yet. Hey, viewers, do you know where my new camera is? Talking to a camera. Nobody can answer you. Gee, I think I see your camera over there. Don't worry, H. I'm looking for it in this bush. But gee. Use cameras. I can record me reading some. Use cameras. I can record me reading some books. You open this, what you guys? Maybe not, but I'll try. Well, that was easy. Thanks, little guys. Now I'll be on my way. Also, don't call me little guy. I like being called K. Thank you very much. Oh, look even tinier than me. What happened? Oh, well, ever since I got that weird feeling inside me, I have been turned into the lowercase version of me. I don't really mind though. Huh, interesting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, how did you do that, Jay? Doing a handstand for one entire hour? I mean, it's not that hard. I mean, I've been living with my legs on top of me my whole life, so it's kind of easy at this point. You're so Hey, how do you do these types of things? Okay, well, I need to go now. If you want an autograph, then just come follow me or whatever.